Hey guys, it's Rod here with 13 Outdoors, and today we're just going to take out the ultralight and do a little creek fishing. There's it's the same creek, but two different parks I'm going to go to. I'm just going to go. I haven't been there for probably about a year and a half, maybe 2 years, and I'm using a rod that I haven't used forever either. It's a 4-foot Shakespeare micro series, so I'm going to go down there and see what we can get out of these creeks. All right, see you soon. Alrighty, fishing down here at the creek with a little 4.5-foot micro series Shakespeare and a Zebco Stinger. This thing doesn't have a lot of drag setting on it, but I haven't fished here in a couple of years, so just see what's in here. Oh, there, I got hit already. Well, we know there's fish in here. I've actually caught some big fish out of here before. Like, I think the biggest fish I caught out here was like a 3-pound bass, maybe. So we can get out of here. I used to fish this all the time. Like I said, just life has been crazy busy. So just trying to get out and make some time. There, I got a bite. Oh, no, you let go. I might have to put a smaller profile lure on here. Or jig, I should say. Another, oh, there we go. Oh, man. Yeah, I might have to put something smaller on here. It's like they're just getting a tail. I think I've collected about 6 or 7 different species out of this little creek here. And, oh man, there we go. There we go. Got a bass. See him right there. Little largemouth. I knew I'd get one out of here eventually. Okay. Calm down there, Bubba. I'd have to lip him here real quick, get this hook out of there. I actually probably need a smaller hook, but right now, not a bad little creek bass there. Alright. I want to step up here a little bit more, but it's been raining quite a bit, so not much bank to stand on right now. There we go. Oh, missed it. I should put a smaller hook on here. Man, it is bright. Yeah. I get nothing but the tail here. Push this back. Okay. I haven't used this rod for a couple of years either, so. Oh, and of course it got stuck on the stick. It's pretty much deep enough to cork fish it too. Oh man, hit again. Doggone. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put something shorter on here. They are just grabbing the tail. But I'm getting hit darn near every time I'm in here. Every time I cast, it feels like I'm getting at least a little bite or something on there. There we go. There we go. And a green sunfish. Figured that's what was nipping at me and not committing. Don't stab me, bro. Oh. Well, quick release. Little greenie. Oh, there I'm get hit as soon as I put it down. Yeah, they're just pulling at the tail now. Oh, did I get stuck? Yeah, stuck in the rocks. Yeah. So let's change up lures real quick. Alright. Gonna go with the same color. Might just have to change the hook, but we'll see. Good Bobby Garland itsy bit. There we go. Oh, Something got on it right away. Got 2 species so far. See if we can pull a third one out of here. Yeah, I've caught bluegill, long ears, green sunfish, largemouth bass, a catfish once. I probably caught some other things out of here. This creek, just depending on where you're at, I think I've caught 13 different species of fish in here overall. So it's just where you're at, what they like. I actually caught some saugers down maybe a mile down from here, same creek, which I was surprised. Oh yeah, crappie. I've caught crappie in here too before. Trying to be careful too, because I did not bring us. There we go. There we go. Little tiny green sunfish. Good. Get this bad boy off. Come on. There we go. Little greenie. Quick release. See ya, bub. Yeah, I got stuff to do after this, so I don't have wet shoes so much. Oh, got bited. This water's surprisingly clear too, with all the rain we've gotten over the past few days. I thought for sure it would be more cloudy. But yeah, they have not kept this side of the bank too clean here. Might try to shuffle down just a little bit. I'll get bit, and no dice. Yeah, they're just getting the back of the tail right now. Get a bluegill or a long ear. Oh, loady. Yeah, you can tell they definitely got the back. Didn't even think how big the jig was on there, but I've always fished with this size here. Oh, definitely need to put on the 1/16, which I got some in the bag. There we go. There we go. Another greenie. Okay. Oh, barely got him. Top of the lip. Barely. Alright, bubby. Youch, I stabbed myself. Doggone it. Alright, let's see if we can walk over here a little bit without falling in. I don't get my shoes all gooped up either. Well, this mud ain't too bad. Alright, I'll get some better footing over here as well. And make sure the groundhogs don't come out after me either, because there's definitely a bunch of those around here. Oh, got hit again. Yep, almost pulled it off. Well, maybe I shall switch real quick. Alright, put a loop knot on a 1/16 sickle hook. That should improve the hookup ratio for sure. Casting sucks though because it's so light. I think I probably got some pinch weights, but I'm just going to go with this for right now. I can walk down the bank a little bit more if I have to. Okay. Yeah, there we go. This whole setup's so light. Let's see how it goes. Might fish this a little bit longer and then might move down to the other park for a little bit. And getting a follow. I think this thing is so rocky, it's easy to get hung up into. Oh, there we got a bite right off the bat. Come on, get it. Well, poop. Still early enough too. Let's see what time we got. 9:30. Okay. The same lure, just smaller. Let's see if there's something over here in these rocks. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, be a bluegill. No more green sunfish. And it's a stupid green sunfish. That's alright though. Still a fish. There you go, Bubba. Show me where your cousin's at. Mr. Bluegill. There we go. Ooh, the sun is hot already this morning. It doesn't help that I'm wearing black shoes as well. But, not truly black, but oh, there's some good sized minnows in there too. Trying to get to more of these shaded areas. Minnow was checking it out even. There we go. Oh. Well, there we go. Haven't been down that way yet. See if they're sitting down in the shadows down there a bit. All these minnows out in the sun. They ain't gonna bite on it. They might chase it and see what's going on. There we got one. What we got? Dang, tiny dude. Tiny dude. I think it's another greenie. Yep. Another green sunfish. Tiny brother. Dang, he's got a jacked up tail too. But he's still getting it. What did we do here? What did we do here? Twisted us out. There we go. Oh, I got, there we go. I'm almost going to say another green sunfish. Oh yeah. Man. Well, we know there's, oh, quick release. Come on, Bubby. You're better than that, dude. Let's see if I can get you out here. Okay, cool. There you go. You right yourself. You right it yourself. There we go. Nope. I don't think anything's going to follow that up. That was a bad cast. Oh, something started pulling it. There we go. And I'm sure it's another green. Doggone it. Where's the bluegills at? Am I complaining? These are fun to catch. But I'm going to stab myself again, darn it. I want to catch bluegills. Crappie, a long ear, something beside. Another bass maybe. There we go. Ooh. Sweating. So sweaty. Alrighty. It's funny, I knew I had one on right away because my lines start going the opposite way. Right off where that water's coming out, there's a nice little deep spot out there. But again, getting to it, I have to go on the other side really. See if there's maybe another bass sitting over here. Looks like I'm twisted up a bit. Yep. Readjust my bait here. Keep straightened out. I love the Bobby Garland, Mike. There we go. Oh, I had one. So you can go back here again. I'm debating on putting a pinch weight on it because it just doubles my chances of getting hung up in the rocks. Like I said, I could put a cork on here. Or a bob. But oh, crud. That's nice. My bail closed up on me. Try this again. Oh. Oh yeah, here we got one. Here we got a player. Come on, player, pick it up. There we go. Watched him get that. Watched him pick it up. Oh, bluegill, finally. Yes. Finally. That's the biggest sunfish we've caught today. Nice colors on him for a little creek fish. A little 4-incher. Good, good, good. So we've caught 3 species now. See if maybe there's another one over here. Yep, there we go. Oh, he let it go. Darn it. Go right back over there. Because obviously these dudes are hungry. Well, maybe dude told him, no. That was spicy. Why didn't I bring old shoes? Because the creek is not that very deep today. There we go. That's a good shot. There. Oh. Got bit for sure. Lures on there good still. Just wanted to come out here and make a little content today. There you go. There we go. Another little Dinkosaurus. Just get something out there today for you folks to watch. Oh yeah. Oh. These dudes. They crazy. Am I on? No. Something was pulling it for sure. There we go. There we go. Is that a little tiny bass? Yep. Nice. He tried to choke it. Tried to choke it. I'm going to try to lip him. Here we go. Yeah, boy. Look at that. Trophy there. It's always fun just catching those little guys. How hard they want to fight. Whew. Yeah, boy. Okay. Okay. Oh, I see these minnows darting all over the place. I'm definitely trying to stay in those shaded areas because it is. I don't even know what time or what temperature is. Oh, I didn't even set my watch up yet today. I'm guaranteeing it's in the 80s, high 80s already. Because it is freaking hot already. Oh, got a nibble. There we go. There we go. Oh, he let go. Hopefully he didn't tear my tail off. Did he? Nope. That's the only complaint I have with these little Bobby Garland itsy bits is that sometimes you get a batch and the tails just pop off after the first bite. And that's not that they're super expensive or anything. That's a good fish. But just it sucks. You get one cast in the tail. Now, they still attack it and stuff, but I like the action on them and stuff. And so when it doesn't have the tail, unless you're under a bobber, it doesn't really have, you know, the swim action. But another greenie. Can't believe we only got one bluegill so far. Again, we're probably going to go down to the other creek side here in a second. I figured you just get a few minutes in here. It's tougher too because every time I move, the shade is disappearing on this side, so we'll go back over here a little bit. See if we can't get something here. One more fish and we're gonna go to the other park. The raccoon's been busy down here because I see all these mussel shells on the bank. Oh, not in the tree. Okay. There we go. Oh, missed. Had it and dropped it. Got a little too aggressive. I get used to throwing this one again. I'm used to my 6 and 7 footers, ultralights. This 4.5 is. You really got to give it some juice to get it going there. Let's see. It is a nice little setup though. I think I paid, we on? Yep. I think I paid like $27 for this, which is funny because my 7 footer was 27 bucks. There you go. See ya. See ya, boy. Oh yeah, I said one more fish. Sorry. Went into guy mode there for a second. The other thing, this bank is starting to really erode bad, so getting up and down it is a lot harder than what it used to be. Oh, and plus I'm getting old, so That's another factor. Oh crap, that is not at all where I want to cast it. I'll try to get to these rocks over here. Let's think. Bounce it a bit. Ooh, that sweat is rolling down my back already. That is disgusting. There you go. One of the deeper spots there. Okay, last cast, full reel. Oh, something's getting me. He dropped it. What a beavis. All right, on to the next spot. I'll check the phone because I got my charger in there. See you in a bit, guys.